Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. How are you my dear friend and my all lovely subscribers? Today I'm going to talk about collarbone length bob. If you are over 50 and looking for a hairstyle that's elegant, youthful and low maintenance, you are going to love this video. Today's video is all about the collarbone length bob haircut, one of the most flattering and trending haircuts for mature women right now. This cut is becoming incredibly popular because it hits the sweet spot, not too short, not too long. It's easy to manage, frames the face beautifully and work with almost every hair texture, whether your hair is straight, wavy or thinning. This cut gives volume and structure without much effort. You can style it straight and polished and add soft curls for volume or go natural with texture. Adding curtain bangs or side sweep fringe gives it a modern youthful vibe. And the best part, it takes very little time to style, just a round brush, blow dryer or a flat iron and you are ready to go. The collarbone bob suits all face shape. It's one cut with endless way to personalize it. This bob offers a fresh, edge-defying look without trying too hard. It's long enough to pull back in a ponytail, yet short enough to stay cool and easy to manage. Stylish, simple and timeless. No wonder women over 50 are loving it. If you're ready for a haircut that's both modern and easy to live with, the collarbone length bob might be your next favorite look. Let me know in the comment which style was your favorite and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fabulous hairstyles. Please share my video with your friends and your family. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.